Right, okay, let's look at this question. So this is an example, another example of a simultaneous word problem question. So we've got 3 bananas and 2 pears, and they cost in a total of 95p. And you've got 5 bananas and 3 pears, and in total they cost £1.51, right? And it's asking for you to work out the cost of 10 bananas and 10 pears. Now, what I'm going to do is, the thing is, I can't divide 95 by 5 because I don't know if the bananas and pears they cost the same amount. I don't know if they cost the same amount. I don't know if they're divided equally, so I can't just divide by 5 like that. And same thing here, I can't do £1.51 divided by 8 because I don't know if they're the same amount. Um, you don't add the pears up. Nope, nope. So 3 bananas, we're going to write the equation, so that's 3b plus 2p, 3 bananas plus 2 pears, and that equals 95 pence, 95p. And the next one, 5 bananas, 5b, plus 3 pears, 3p. And that equals, see, because that's in penny, and that the second amount is in pound, I'm going to change that and write that as pennies as well. So that's, 151 penny, right? Yeah. And now, just after we write this equation, we can see that the reason why there's a difference in the pence is because there's a difference in the amount of pears, but then there's also a difference in the amount of bananas as well. So that difference in amount, we don't know if it's because we don't know how much that difference is because of the pear or how much of it is because of the banana. So what you need to do here, Josh, is you need to make sure that either the B's or the P's are the same. Because if one of these are the same, then the question becomes a bit easier. So what should we do? Should we make the P the same? So find the LCM of that, or should we make B the same? It's up to you. Yeah? Times that by 3 and times that by 2. You can make either P or the B the same, doesn't matter. So we're going to make P the same. So we're going to have to multiply everything by 3 though on the top line. So 3b times 3 is, I'm going to write the new line, in blue. So 3b that's 9b. 2p times 3 is 2 times 3 is 6p. And that equals 95 times by 3, which is 285p. Yeah, and then the bottom one, we need to, obviously to make p the same, you need to multiply everything by 2 as well, so they can all be 6. So p can be 6. So 5 times 2 is 10, that's 10b. 3 times 2 is 6p. There we go. Yay, the p's are the same. And then we need to do 151 times by 2. 150 is 300, that's 3. Thank you very much, 302. So now, you can see, right? Like you can see, the reason why there's a difference in the amount is because of the difference in the banana. It's not the pear that's made the difference, it's the banana. So that means the difference between the banana is 1 banana. So there's 1 banana, 85, 95, 17. £17p? Yeah. Okay, so that so 1 banana equals 70p. So obviously the cost of 10 banana is 170p. But before we do that though, how can you've got to use this now to work out the cost of the, yeah. Can you try that? Yeah, how do we do that, please? How do we, now that you know the cost of 1 banana, that's 1 banana, how do you use that to work out the cost of the pear? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's it, yeah. So let's substitute that into the top equation. So we've got 3 times 17p for the banana, add 2p equals 95, right? And then 17 times 3 is 51, is it? Yeah, 51. 51, and then so yeah, like we said, 95 take away 51, 44, and then P equals 44 divided by 2. That's 22, yeah. So that means the cost of a pear is 22, the cost of a banana is 17, and then obviously to work out the cost of 10 of each, then banana is 17 times 10, that's so easy, 170, and then the cost of a pear is 10 of them would be 20. So yeah, so this example is a little bit different than the other one. The other one, the two variables were the same, whereas here, none of the variables are the same. So your task was to figure out and make the variables the same first, and then attempt it. Yeah, it's quite easy.